This Living Labs program offered by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, it has impacted me and changed the way I see the world and changed the way I am. It is one of the most wholesome and one of the best program that Amrita has provided. During my orientation program, that is when the Living Labs program was introduced. Living Labs program, the Leela, this was one of the most exciting and the wholesome opportunity that Amrita University is providing. I was so inspired by this because it is more than a learning, it is more of experience and more than just classroom studies. I decided that I am definitely going to join this. So interview process happened and I got selected, and that is when we started our Leela journey. After 2 weeks of training, and then they decided, okay, we are fit to go to the village. And then we went to a village in Prayagraj, it's called Badkar. So it was a very small village and very remote, and there were different communities of different people in that small village. And sitting among them, talking, interacting with them, interviewing them, and then we used to conduct some small activities like gathering the children together, playing some games, and talking with the women over there. It was more of a boating and fisherman community, and that again, it was very seasonal. The income wouldn't be all year round, and it was actually very pathetic to see how people were living their lives in such hardships. And yet they were cheerful, they were happy and all of that. So what we decided to give them, after talking to a lot of people there, we decided if we could set up something according to what they have. Like they have tailoring, so if they could do something with the tailoring or do something, earn some money because of that. Now let me come to what exact deliverable and what was the aim of this entire Living Lab program. One of the most important and the main deliverable was we had to draw one problem tree. As soon as we go, the first day what we did was finding the resource map of the village. We were a team of 4. We split into 2 and 2, and then we had to walk the entire village, marking all the important resources, identify the stakeholders, and they include the panchayat head, the doctors, the teachers, the local head of the villages and all of them. We had to identify the core pain points and problems of the village there, and then make it into a tree wherein we give the causes of the problem, the root cause of the problem and what is being affected. Identify that particular one problem that we as a team and university we can solve. This is a wonderful initiative by Amma, our chancellor, and this kind of learning, apart from books and apart from classroom, you go out there and learn what life is. And I'm sure this changed a lot of my perspectives and changed the way I look at stuff. I'm very lucky to get to join Amrita and get this opportunity here, because you're not going to get this kind of thing anywhere in other universities or colleges. I am blessed that I made use of this opportunity and went there and got to see and experience the Living Labs program I was dreaming of.